We have so much show tonight, but I do have to mention something up top. A while ago, I decided to make a little bit of a career change. And some of you may be aware of this. I decided to take my unique mix of musical ingenuity, which I obviously have. Thanks for going along with that. Show business clout and natural teaching skills, and combine them all and channel them into a very special project, which we tried out here on the show. That project was the formation of my own brand new boy band. Yeah, a very, very talented group of young men who I named Dudez-A-Plenti, which is dudes with a Z-A-Plenti, all right? And, well, anyway, here's a glimpse of what happened back then. I think this is about a year ago. Here's what happened.
Baby, I wish you were my baby. I'll make you make a baby.
You know, and I worked with these guys. Just a quick glimpse of what we did. And frankly, we were poised to conquer the music world because boy bands are huge. I was going to make a lot of cash. Then, to be perfectly honest, I forgot about them completely. I'm just a busy guy, you know. I got to talk to David Hasselhoff and act like an ass, and I got busy, and the whole thing slipped my mind for like a year, okay? Then recently I remembered, oh my God, I formed a boy band, Dudez-A-Plenti, and I decided I'm gonna get them back together, okay? But this time, I'm gonna go all the way. I'm gonna shoot a music video, a big-time music video with Dudez-A-Plenti and get it on rapid rotation. So we did that, and here's a behind-the-scenes look of us making the video, and then the video. It's all pretty amazing. All right, let's listen up. How's it going, guys?
Chilling. Good to see you. Good to see you.
Yeah, how is Dudez-A-Plenti doing?
Chilling.
Doing okay?
Yeah, that's all right.
All right, quickly, I want to apologize. I know I promised you guys we were going to the top of the charts. With that last song, things didn't work out. I blame you. Bad performance, bad execution. What have you guys been up to? What have you been working at?
Just Target.
Working at the Target store?
Yeah.
What have you been doing?
I've been babysitting.
Okay, you guys are pathetic. But I'm going to give you a second chance. Guys, we're going to make a video. We're making a video. Pretty nice. Hey, enough of that. No high-fiving. I want you guys to do something different. Rub heads. No, heads actually rubbing. I want heads rubbing. That's what you guys do. Other people knock fists. Other people slap five. You guys rub your heads, all right? You been drinking? You smell like you've been drinking.
No, I'm cool.
Okay, you should start drinking right away.
Yeah?
Yeah, I want you to be the alcoholic in the group. All right? Develop a real problem. You're going to be the alcoholic. 6 months from now, you're going to drop out of the group. You guys are going to have his back. You're going to wait for him, and then he's going to come back into the group, all right? He's going to say he's better. A month later, he's going to be found dead on the floor of a bathroom. You okay with that? Just do it. It's going to be fun. So, I got us a new song. I got us a really good song. Girl, you must be from another time. One where awesomeness was not confined. 'Cause awesomeness is awesome, baby, but not like you. You so awesome, I say, yeah, not boo, yeah. How'd you get so awesome, baby, but drinking lots of awesome juice? The awesome juice has worked, hooray. Awesomeness, ooh.
Great song. I thought it was good. Basically, it's just the word awesome. I counted like 23 times, and you...
28. 28 awesomes in there.
Yeah, I think it's a lot.
Awesome is like the word kids use today. I actually went to a mall yesterday, and I hung around for about 2 hours until I got asked to leave. And I heard the word awesome so many times. Like, kids, this is what kids say. They're also swearing a lot, but we can't do that. It's not going to get played. I heard a lot of, like, I heard a lot. This, that. But But I swear to God, the second word I heard the most. Third word, I heard I heard that one. But then the third word I heard a lot was awesome. Kids say awesome all the time. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. You are bad boys, all right? You've been sent to prison. You've been sent to prison for mail fraud. You're in here for tax evasion. You killed a cat. You ate a tomato that didn't belong to you. And you're just a creep, and they put you in prison, all right? That's your motivation. The only studio that we could afford already had a few sets in it for some reason. So basically, we were forced to incorporate those sets into the video. Here's the idea. You've been in prison so long, you don't know what kind of music they're listening to outside anymore. You think they're listening to old ragtime, so it's like, how'd you get so awesome, baby? You
Hey there, little awesome girl, not some awesome you, so please.
Come on. Let's go, dudes. All right. Here's the deal. You guys are at the bottom of the deep blue sea in this sequence, all right? Danny, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good to see you. This is our choreographer. This is Dudez-A-Plenti.
Hey guys, what's up?
All right. Yeah, don't bother getting to know them personally. They can be replaced at any time. Swim, swim, and then a fishy go by. Swim, swim, and then a fishy go by. Right? Okay, that's going to create the illusion that... What was that?
I thought that was cool.
I'm not gay. Is that what you said? No. I'm not. They're wrong.
Hey, C.
Yeah, seriously. It says something about me's body, and people think we're talking about moose. Isn't it like my body or mine body or me?
What is me's body?
Well, it just seemed like halfway through the video shoot, Conan lost interest in the band. He was more worried about the bagel table.
Do you have raisin and poppy seed? Is that possible? Because you have poppy seed and you have raisin, but I don't know if you have raisin and poppy seed.
We got whatever's here.
I mean, you got whatever. Come on, don't you take any pride in your job?
That's all that's left.
What's that?
Some of the guys have a question.
Yeah, I'm having a bagel, okay? Why don't you flap back to the little deep blue sea and I'll be in a second, okay? I mean, a cinnamon and poppy seed bagel. How hard is it? Very easy to work with, can I say that?
Oh, thank you very much.
No, but I mean, it's like, this guy, anytime I ask for something, he gives it to me. Every time I ask you for something, I come up against a brick wall. Don't talk back to... This is crazy! You're talking to C. When you're talking to C, you shut it. Listen. Okay, well, the good news is we've got our space backdrop, and we've got spaceman and alien. A little bit of a glitch. These are the only space costumes that we've got, but I think we can make do with these other costumes. And these are great. These are, Superman, Doctor, and Richard Nixon. Well, you're going, ha, ha. I want you to be going like, hey, hey, and I want you to be going like, ooh, ooh, and I want you to be going like, shimmer, 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 and I want you to be going like, yeah, I say bye, ooh, ooh. Shimmer, 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 shimmer. A shimmer, 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 shimmer. Ah, shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. A shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. Sheep, sheep, yap, yap, sheep, yap, 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 yep, 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 yep. Shimmer, 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 shimmer. What you got there?
I forgot.
This will be the space egg. So space alien, you are guarding the space egg with your life. Okay? We got this. Giant toothbrush. Okay? So you're now a space dentist. All right? Donkey is it's a space donkey. Is a symbol of what party?
Democrats.
Democrats. Richard Nixon was a Republican. So you be like mad at the space donkey. Ladies, I want you to partner up right here, if you would. Huh? Would you come this way? Right over here. Right this way, young lady. It's very nice. And you will be with Superman right here. It's nice. How many dudes are there? How many dudes are plenty? What is it?
5.
There are 5.
5, yeah.
Okay, my bad. I thought it was 4.
It's done.
Okay.
Okay, guys, yeah, enjoy it, guys. Ladies, just all over you guys. Yeah. On, keep circling. And keep it going, keep it going.
I really have no control over what bagels get put out on the table.
It's my job kind of just to watch the table.
I'm pretty tight with Lance Bass from NSYNC, and I'm gonna convince him to join Dudez-A-Plenti. It's gonna be big news. It's gonna be huge. Lance Bass is gonna join Dudez-A-Plenti. Now, we don't have him just yet, so let's shoot this part in front of a green screen, okay? And then I'm gonna shoot Lance later on, and we're gonna add him to this scene where he walks in. And all of a sudden, look who just walked in. Lance Bass just walked in.
Oh, Stan! What up, Lance Bass?
Here's my pitch to you. NSYNC, get out while the getting's good and join Dudez-A-Plenti. What do you think? This is, opportunities don't come often like this.
It's a huge opportunity, but I don't know. I mean, I think yours is good.
They're holding you back, man. Lance Bass. You're Dudez-A-Plenti material. Let me tell you something. There's a rocket called Dudez-A-Plenti, and it's going to Success Planet. There's one more seat on the rocket. I'm holding that seat for Lance Bass.
But I am gonna have to decline. I don't. No.
Lance Bass said no. He does not want to be in the group. He does not want to be in the video. I have no idea how I'm gonna break this to the guys. And now, a world premiere video from Dudez-A-Plenti.
This is gonna be awesome. One time, I should not have eaten that tomato. Girl, you must be from another time. One where awesomeness was not confined to awesome things like sky and air. Even awesomeness itself does not compare. 'Cause awesomeness is awesome, babe, but not like you. You so awesome, I say yay now. Ooh, how'd you get so awesome, babe? I'm drinking lots of awesome juice. The awesome juice has worked correct. Somebody wants to be with you. Hey there, little awesome girl, can I have some awesome juice? So please, I'm bringing that out.
But I am gonna have to decline. I don't.
Girl, you must be from another time. I'll say one where awesomeness is not confined to awesome things like sky and air. Even awesomeness itself does not compare. 'Cause awesomeness is awesome, babe, but not like you. Totally awesome.
I think they're on their way. Unless I forget again. That's might happen. All right, we're going to take a little break when we come back. Matthew Broderick's here. Stick around, everybody.